Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Veneno, and this is by Tomica, and this is 1/67 scale. And let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I think this one also I bought it for somewhere around I think 450 or 460. I don't know, man. Amazon is giving a lot of discount sometimes. So keep an eye on Amazon, specifically if you are from India and if you want to buy Tomicas. So this is actually sold by Visplex. They are the authorized dealer in India to sell Tomicas on MRP. So you can buy directly from their site as well, but if you want discounts, you need to keep an eye on Amazon. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. I think this is my very first Veneno unboxing in my channel. I never unboxed any Veneno before apart from the Kinsmart one which is over there. So that is not unboxing practically because it came like that. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions are this looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really awesome. There is not even a single issue with the paint job. Here is a closer look, guys. It's a bit of glittery gray. The paint job is actually smooth, not like the Mini GT one, but this looks really nice. So the windshield has a little bit of scratches, but it's fine. So there are no detailing on the tail light part. Okay, so the spoiler and this entire body is actually made of metal. The spoiler is fully metal, it is not plastic. And the entire chassis is actually made of plastic. So you can see here. So the detailings are actually really nice. The logos are really nice. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yes, it does have. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll. It doesn't roll at all. Both wheel wobbles a lot and it doesn't roll at all. So again, who's going to play with Tomica? We are supposed to keep it as a showpiece. So I personally love this one. It's not that heavy. It is a bit heavy, but not that heavy. It looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.